Hi, my name is Beluso and I am here to discuss how to convert dimensions from one unit to another using dimensional analysis. Uh, First, I would like to introduce to you the two systems of dimensions, the metric system and the English system. And then these are the most common conversions that we need to use that are practical to use every day. And these are the abbreviations of the most common units. So first we need to discuss some general rules on math. Rule number one. So the left side of the equation is equal to the right side, like 5 is equal to 5. It means the one on the left of the equal sign is equal to the one on the right. And for example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this 1 plus 2 is the same as 3. So that's the first rule. Second rule is if you divide the number by itself, the answer is 1. Like for example, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So if you divide a number that is equal to itself, for example, 1 plus 2 divided by 3 is still equal to 1. So if it's equal, you can make it into a fraction and that will be equal to 1. Number 3, a number multiplied by 1 would still be the same. Like for example, 5 times 1 would still be 5. And then rule number 4, if you replace 1 by another number divided by a number equal to itself, it would still be equal. For example, 5 times 1. So we will replace 1 by a fraction that is a number that is equal to it. So like for example, 5 times 3 over 3. So this is, we change 1 into 3 over 3. It would still be 5 times 3, 15 over 3. It will still be 5. Rule number 5. So like conversion table dimensions are equal but different unit. For example, 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So this is equal to this one. So we can rewrite this one into a fraction like this: 1 meter divided by 3.28 feet. So because this one is equal to this one, this is equal to 1. So rule number 6, because this one is equal to 1, these conversions, if you make it into fractions, it will be equal to 1. You can multiply it to any number and the value will stay the same. So yeah, can be multiplied to any number. So the conversions can be multiplied to any number. Now we will go to some examples to see using this conversion, these rules. We can start to give examples using dimensional analysis. So first example, example is example number 1, 2 inches convert to centimeters. So we have, so in this conversion, we have 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So we can make this into fractions, a fraction like this. 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters, that will be equal to 1, or 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. This is also equal to 1. So if we have an example, 2 inches, we can multiply it to either this one or this one. It will still be the same value. So let's try first this one. 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. So let's say, so 2 times 1 inch times inch will become 2 inch squared over 2.54 centimeters. So the unit has become more complicated. It's inch squared per centimeter. But if you multiply 2 inches by the other one, 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. So if you multiply this one will become 2 times 2.54 inch centimeter over 1 inch. So this inch and inch divided by inch can be cancelled. So what you will have is, if you multiply that, 2.54 times 2, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 2, 4, 5. This will become 5.08 centimeters. So what's the difference? So in here, we multiplied it, the unit became complicated, but in here it cancelled out. So what you need to remember is, if you have inches in your question, you need to use the fraction where the inches would be in the denominator, so that it can cancel out. So in here and in here, we choose this one to cancel out the inch, and you leave with the correct dimension. Example 2. Another example is slightly more complicated. We will have 2 conversions to do in the example. So for example is example number 2. We have 3 yards converted into inches. So in here we have 1 yard equal to 3 feet and 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So we can convert it one by one. So we convert the yards into feet, and then when we get the answer, we can convert the feet into inches. But we can also do a shortcut. We can combine the conversion. So we first write 3 yards. Let's do an abbreviation. 3 yards. So now we will be putting this one into a fraction, and because the question is yard, we need to put this one into the denominator. So 1 yard, and then this will go to the numerator, 3 feet. Now if you multiply that one, yard and yard will cancel out. Now we want to multiply it into Next, we get the second conversion. 1 foot is to 12 inches. Now, our question now is feet. So we have to put this one into the denominator to cancel out. So we have 1 foot. And then these 12 inches will go into the numerator. So feet and feet will cancel out, leaving us only with inch. So if we multiply this 3 times 3, 9 times 12, so 12 times 9, 2 times 9, 18, 9, 108. We have 108 inches. So that's how you convert dimensions from one unit to another using dimensional analysis.